into place. On the inside of that glass camera protector, it already has the cutouts. So when you place it over the top, the cameras are just going to go within those areas that are cut out for them to fit properly within the camera glass protector. And you can see the cameras right through the side of that protector. You can see them. Those little cutouts go right over the top of the cameras. So that's nice. All right, so now we have a film screen protector that I wish Samsung would have applied themselves. I can't believe they're not going to do that anymore. But it is what it is. So let me grab a case here. Huge shout out to Ringke. They sent me the Ringke Fusion X Black in this eco packaging. Very nice. For my S22 Ultra, the ultimate experience. Over 60 million people are already using our Ringke products. I'll be leaving all the information that you will need to know about the Ringke Fusion X down below in the description area, along with the screen protector information as well. So let's go ahead and open the package. And on the inside, Ringke accessories 20% off. Read everything because there's a lot that Ringke's got going on here. Lots of accessories. Utilize that 20% off. Protective film removal guide. Might need to use that. Well, maybe not. You got these little film flaps here that Ringke is actually starting to use to make it a lot easier to remove the film. And then I go ahead and rip that little flap off. Now I'm going to make this more difficult for myself. All right. Well, not too bad. That was nice, right? All right, man, that just looks really good. Yeah, I'm digging that. Totally digging that you get a product from one company that works with another product from a different company, right? You got the camera glass protector working with that huge cutout on the Fusion X, and that's very, very important. Lots of lips surrounding those cameras so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Reinforced corners. Got the Samsung brand name down there. Ringke brand name right down here. Yeah, just look at those corners, man, to absorb shot. Got a little cutout up top for the mic. Got some hard plastic polycarbonate material, hard plastic see-through back. Little TPU going on here as well. You got a ridged power button. Nice response. Volume rocker. We'll be testing that out in just a second here. Maybe not a second, maybe 60 seconds. At the bottom, cut out for the mic to the right of the USB charging port area, speaker, and your S Pen area. Okay. Has it been 60 seconds? Let's try that again. All right, nice. A lot of protection going on there. Look at that. Little cutout right there for a lanyard. Ringke has lanyards. Again, check out all of their accessories over at their website. Okay, so what was I going to do?
One eternity later.
Volume rocker. Let's test that area out. Nice and responsive. Don't have to push too hard at all. As far as the lip surrounding the AMOLED display, got plenty of lip at the bottom, plenty of lip up top with the receding area there for your combo earpiece and speaker. the lip on the left and right hand side just barely rising above the AMOLED display, just barely. So I'm setting down on a flat surface. There's going to be a little bit of a gap on both sides due to the lip up top and at the bottom. Flat surface a little rough. I wouldn't go any more than that. You're going to have a lot more back here actually, especially if you're sporting a camera glass protector. Plenty of lip, reinforced corners there, a little bit of material here on the sides. I like this little sloped area here, angled areas that fit nicely in the palm of your hand. But yeah, you got this area rising above the see-through back, and with that lip, you can go flat, a little rough, and maybe a little bit rougher than that. But you know what I'm going to say next, right? Use your discretion. So yeah, that looks really bold. Totally digging the Ringke Fusion X. And now we're going to do the wireless charging test. Bam! Took almost a second to respond, but it did. Boom, a little faster right there. But either way, it works. I'm going to sport this case right now. Got my new camera glass protector, the Fusion X Ringke case. Huge shout out to Ringke for giving me the opportunity to represent. And the LK screen protector, the film screen protector, working great. Not coming up on the corners or the sides. Again, I love it when products from two different companies can work together. And we're seeing that right here, and that's very important. All right, any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Again, all the information you need to know down in the description area. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Stay tuned for more. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here on TMI Project 13. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.